This is just a quick video because in the previous video I told you I was going to share with you my very famous recipe for bourbon maple orange cranberry sauce. And I played around and figured out how to make a video. Now, I want you to remember that online, on Instagram and Ravelry, I go by Knitphen, not Cookphen. So I can cook, I like to cook, but I've never made a cooking video. This is my very first one, so please be forgiving. But it was fun to make, and I hope you enjoy it. It may be too late for Thanksgiving for those of you in the US who are celebrating that, but it can be made any time of the year, frankly, and it's great for all the holidays in the winter because it brings a bright, tangy zestiness to any dining occasion. So hope you make it, hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you do. The original recipe was from, I think, Eating Well magazine or eatingwell.com. It may have been the Food Network. I did a search. I didn't save this information. I know I'm supposed to, but I did a search online with text, and I couldn't find the exact recipe. It doesn't exist anymore, even though I copied it from an online source. So anyway, I did also find that there are many orange bourbon cranberry sauce recipes, and that it's perhaps not entirely unique. It's not my idea, but here's how I make it. I hope you enjoy it, and wishing you all the best for this Thanksgiving and the holidays to come. All right. So that's how you make it. And here is the final product. And if you put it, well, let me not get that glare on there, but if you put it in a glass container like so, even it out a little bit with a spoon. This could probably use a little more of that. It's a lovely color, beautiful presentation. And so when you go to your party and bring this, everyone's going to go, ooh. And I said this in the last video, but honestly, I'm not lying. Everybody asks me for the recipe. That's why I decided to do the video. And it'll be the talk of the dinner. I know cranberry sauce isn't supposed to steal the show, but with this recipe, it can. So once again, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And until next time, be well.